Dropshipping has revolutionized e-commerce by allowing entrepreneurs to sell products without holding inventory. When a customer places an order, the product ships directly from the supplier to the buyer, eliminating upfront costs and storage hassles. The first critical step is finding reliable suppliers through platforms like AliExpress, Sale.hu, or Spocket. Look for suppliers with high ratings, reasonable shipping times, and quality product images. Niche selection is equally important. Instead of competing in saturated markets like generic fitness gear, focus on specialized segments like eco-friendly pet products or smart home gadgets for seniors. Setting up your online store requires choosing between user-friendly platforms like Shopify, which offers built-in dropshipping apps, or WooCommerce for WordPress users seeking more customization. Your store's design should be clean, mobile-friendly, and instill trust with clear policies and professional product pages. Compelling product descriptions that highlight benefits, not just features, and high-quality images/videos significantly improve conversion rates. Pricing strategy needs careful calculation. Factor in product costs, shipping fees, platform charges, and marketing expenses while maintaining competitive retail prices. Marketing separates successful dropshippers from those who fail. Facebook and Instagram ads remain powerful tools, but require precise audience targeting and A/B testing of creatives. Start with small daily budgets, $5 to $20, to identify winning products before scaling. Influencer marketing through micro-influencers in your niche can drive authentic engagement at lower costs than traditional advertising. Search engine optimization, SEO, helps organic traffic, optimize product titles and descriptions with relevant keywords. Email marketing builds long-term value. Capture emails through pop-ups offering discounts, then nurture leads with abandoned cart sequences and personalized recommendations. Customer service makes or breaks dropshipping businesses. Since you don't control inventory, proactively communicate shipping times, typically 2 to 4 weeks for overseas suppliers, to manage expectations. Use chatbots for instant responses to common queries and have clear return policies. Consider working with suppliers who offer faster shipping or US/European warehouses once you validate winning products. Analyzing metrics like conversion rates, average order value, and customer acquisition costs helps refine your strategy. Tools like Google Analytics provide these insights. Common pitfalls include choosing unreliable suppliers, neglecting mobile optimization, or underestimating marketing costs. Seasoned dropshippers recommend starting with a few products to master operations before expanding. Some eventually transition to holding inventory for best sellers to improve margins and shipping times. The dropshipping model works best when treated as a real business rather than a get-rich-quick scheme. Success comes from continuous optimization, customer focus, and adapting to market trends. While profit margins typically range 15 to 30%, the low barrier to entry makes dropshipping an excellent way to learn e-commerce fundamentals that apply to broader online retail ventures.